Young King attack again in a J Prince. I represent for one of the roughest and the toughest and the baddest thing. Them will review tune and video. Jamaica worst gamer. Review this for them, no man.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S gamer here with another reaction. Move. Today, guys, we're with Skippa. Yeah, man, Skippa himself. With playlists. Yes, we can jump in the one and see where Skippa said, let's go, man. Let's go. Midnight, man. Dynamic. Banka, big up.
Yo, Cardo, this is cold.
Cardo Beats, big up. Feel into art. Rich Together Entertainment.
Yeah, and I don't really wanna say this.
You wanna say it?
Yeah, and I don't really wanna say this, but you been on my mind lately. I really care where you are, no girl, you know me. I'm one where on the pussy by me. She got me playing her playlist. Yeah, she take it out and then she face it.
Yeah.
My friend looking at your eye, me know you're honey. We can do this all the time, my girl just call me. And I kill her life, I could dim a light. And baby girl, we can build a vibe, no, my love just to see a job.
One buckler Skipper, never three, not even two. We don't care about you, ladies. I wanna feel you on a playlist for you. Banka, big up yourself again, me G. Yes, pain into art. That's right there, Cardo Beats. Big up yourself again, me G. Production team, big up. Hold on. One Skipper, skip man. Yeah.
Yeah, and I don't really wanna say this.
Yeah. You wanna say it?
Yeah. And I don't really wanna say this, but you been on my mind lately. I really care where you are, no girl, you know me. I'm one where on the pussy by me. She got me playing her playlist. Yeah, she take it out and then she face it. My friend looking at your eye, me know you're honey.
She got me playing on the playlist, she take it out and then she face it. You know what that mean? Aka. Black, 3,000 at that she had when she face it.
She take it out and then she face it.
Yeah.
My friend looking at your eye, me know you're honey. We can do this all the time, my girl just call me. And I kill her life, I could dim a light. And baby girl, we can build a vibe, no, my love just to see a jazz I slide down you, me and then the sea inside of my own. I just a life for the artist live. A bag of girl, them just a cause mischief.
Man, vibe different.
No put it keep on your rotted lip.
Yeah.
Just stop it, I need her to come over. We can do this now, the dark out, playing a slow. So flip around on your back and then we change up emotions. So she love the way my come in, show no emotions. Stop it, I need her to come over. Put the head under the pillow, put the foot on my shoulder. Fall in love with a killer, never just the aroma. Make we book up on a villa, do it over and over. But you been on my mind lately. I really care where you are, the girl, you know me. I'm one where on the pussy by me. She got me playing her playlist. Yeah, she take it out and then she face it. My friend looking at your eye, me know you're honey. We can do this all the time, my girl just call me.
Bad. Bad your blood clot, bad skip. Hold on, man. Bad Skipper bad. Bad blood clot Skipper bad. And video clean, bro. The girl clean like Jesus Police record. Production team, big up on yourself again, bro. I swear. Me like that. Me like the direction where Skipper take that one. Look at the reading, just tell them, say, yo, this we want from you. And then give it. Big up yourself, Skipper. Man, big up yourself. They're clean. If you notice, you're not seeing a one bag of girl in that video. One girl that's in that video. And Skipper. And the video shot. Nobody else.
And I don't really wanna say this.
2 person have been in the video shot, brother. It goes to show you that you need a bag of cast member and feel shot.
I really wanna say this.
Yeah.
But you been on my mind lately.
You know what I'm saying?
I really care what you want, the girl, you know me. All I want know you run the pussy by me.
Me not care what you want, though, baby. You know my style already. Me not ready to fuss with myself. I want to know, so you run the buff, you run the pum pum, run the pussy pum pum and punani pa me mama.
I really care what you want, the girl, you know me. All I want know you run the pussy by me. She got me playing on her playlist. Yeah. She take it out and then she face it. From looking at your eye, me know you're honey. We can do this all the time, my girl, just call me. And I kill her life, I could dim me light. And baby girl, we can build a vibe. No, my love just to see your jaws I slide down you, me and then the sea inside of my own. I just a life for the artist live. Me light. And baby girl, we can build a vibe. No, my love just to see your jaws I slide down you, me and then the sea inside of my own. I just a life for the artist live. A bag of girl, them just a cause mischief. You love chat, my booty can't keep on your artist.
Artist life, celebrity life, what go on?
Just stop it up, me need you to come over. We can do this now, the dark out, playing no slow. So flip around on your back and then we change up emotions. So she love the way my come in, no show no emotions. Stop
she
it
love
up,
the
me need you
coolness.
to come over. Put the head under the pillow, put the foot on my shoulder. Fall in love with a killer, never just the aroma. Make we book up on a villa, do it over and over. But you been on my mind lately. I really care what you want, the girl, you know me. All I want know you run the pussy by me. She got me playing on her playlist. Yeah. She take it out and then she face it. I'm looking at your eye, me know you're honey. We can do this all the time, my girl, just call me.
Yeah, the man never kill up himself, brother. Man just make it look easy, dog. Like, effortless. I know the man never raise him vice, dog. Yeah.
I'm looking at your eye, me know you're honey. We can do this all the time, my girl, just call me.
Skippa, playlist. Makes sense. Carter beats, rich together, big up yourself. Yeah, banker, big up yourself. Bankroller, blood clot, bankroller visuals, big up yourself, me G. Yes, big up yourself, big up yourself, big up yourself. Let me know what you guys think about this one, though. Let me know what you guys think about this one, cause I like it. Yeah, I like it. It's just smooth and different from Skippa, bro. Like Skippa have a unique style where it's like him do it so effortless. It's like the man they even put no effort in a way, my dog. I'm serious. Like, I don't know. I don't know him do it. I don't know how him do it, but him do it. You see me? But yeah. Let me know what you guys think about this one, though. And I'll catch you guys down in the comment section. Alright? Peace. Big up, Skippa.
Right now, I want $1 million US. I'm a vice of the real artist progress. I represent for Jamaica's worst gamer. I don't know, say I'm the best reaction videos on YouTube. The maddest and the baddest. You see it? Jamaica's worst gamer. Real artist represent.